Scout Automobile, welcome to Start. Stay right here, because what you're about to experience is not just a story about a car, it's a full-throttle return of a legend that once terrified the streets and ruled the drag strips. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner is not a memory, it's not a tribute, and it's definitely not a soft reboot. This is a loud, aggressive, unapologetic rebirth of pure American muscle. Engineered for a modern world but powered by the same wild soul that made the Roadrunner a street icon. The moment the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner comes into view, something changes in the air. Your eyes lock onto it, your heartbeat picks up, and you instantly understand this car doesn't care about trends or opinions. The stance is wide and dominant, the body squats low to the ground like it's ready to pounce. The long hood stretches forward with authority, while the short rear deck screams classic muscle proportions perfected for the modern era. This car looks fast even when it's standing still, and that's no accident. Every angle tells a story of aggression and intent. The body lines are sharp and muscular, flowing with purpose instead of decoration. This isn't over-designed, it's focused. The shoulders are broad, giving the Roadrunner a planted, unstoppable look. Walk around it slowly and you'll feel it watching you back, daring you to climb inside and see if you can handle what it offers. At the front, the face of the 2026 Roadrunner is pure intimidation. The grille sits wide and deep, dark and unapologetic, flanked by modern LED headlights that cut through the night like blades. These aren't friendly lights, they're warning signs. The hood rises aggressively in the center, a powerful bulge that proudly announces there's serious hardware underneath. This hood doesn't hide the engine, it celebrates it. Move toward the side profile and the Roadrunner's personality becomes even clearer. The wheels are massive, filling the arches perfectly, wrapped in performance rubber that looks ready to tear asphalt apart. The side body flows cleanly, without unnecessary distractions, allowing the car's proportions to speak for themselves. It's a perfect balance of old-school muscle and modern precision. Then you reach the rear, and this is where dominance becomes undeniable. The back end is wide, muscular and confident. The taillights glow with a modern interpretation of classic Plymouth styling, instantly recognizable yet completely updated. The exhaust tips sit low and bold, promising violence with every throttle input. This rear view isn't something you'll see often if you're racing one, but when you do, it's unforgettable. Open the door and step inside, and the Roadrunner welcomes you into a cockpit built for one purpose: driving. This is not a place designed to relax you, it's designed to awaken you. The seating position is low and commanding, placing you directly in control. The seats are aggressively bolstered, holding you tight through hard acceleration and sharp corners, yet comfortable enough for long drives that never feel boring. The interior design blends raw muscle energy with modern technology seamlessly. The dashboard layout is clean, bold, and driver-focused. In front of you sits a fully digital instrument cluster, but it doesn't feel cold or futuristic. It feels mechanical, purposeful, alive. Performance data is displayed clearly, letting you monitor everything from engine output to G-forces without distracting you from the road. At the center, the infotainment screen is crisp and responsive, offering modern connectivity without stealing attention. It's there when you need it, invisible when you don't. Physical controls remain where they matter most, because real drivers prefer buttons and switches they can feel without taking their eyes off the road. The steering wheel is thick, perfectly shaped, and wrapped in premium materials that feel right the moment your hands touch them. This wheel communicates. You feel the road through it, every bump, every change in grip, every ounce of feedback. Behind it, paddle shifters wait like loaded weapons, ready to deliver instant response at your command. Now comes the moment every Roadrunner fan has been waiting for. The engine. This is the heart, the soul, the reason this car exists. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner brings back the thunder with a modern V8 that delivers brutal power, instant throttle response, and a soundtrack that sends chills through your spine. This is not a quiet engine. It doesn't whisper efficiency. It roars freedom. At idle, the engine pulses with a deep, menacing rumble, letting everyone nearby know this machine means business. Tap the throttle and the sound sharpens instantly, alive and eager. Press harder, and the Roadrunner explodes forward, unleashing raw force that pins you to the seat and steals your breath. This power delivery is addictive. There's no waiting, no hesitation. The engine responds the moment you ask, delivering a surge of acceleration that feels violent yet controlled. Each gear change hits hard, accompanied by a sound that feels like thunder cracking directly behind you. For purists, a manual transmission is available, because Plymouth understands that some drivers want more than speed, they want connection. They want to feel every shift, every clutch engagement, every mechanical interaction. Rowing through the gears in the Roadrunner is a visceral experience, turning every drive into an event. For those who prefer precision, the advanced automatic transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, keeping the engine right in its power band at all times. Whether you're cruising calmly or attacking the road, the transmission knows exactly what you want, responding instantly without dulling the experience. But the 2026 Roadrunner isn't just about straight-line brutality. Underneath that muscular body lies a chassis engineered for balance, control, and confidence. The suspension system adapts in real time, stiffening when you push hard and softening when you cruise. This dual personality allows the Roadrunner to be comfortable when you want it, and savage when you demand it. Take it into a corner, and the Roadrunner surprises you. The steering is sharp and responsive, providing clear feedback that builds confidence with every turn. The car stays planted, composed, and eager to change direction, proving that modern muscle can handle just as well as it accelerates. Push harder, and the tires dig in, gripping the road with authority. The body remains controlled, refusing to feel sloppy or loose. This is a car that invites you to explore its limits, rewarding skill and confidence with thrilling performance. Braking is just as impressive. Massive performance brakes provide strong, consistent stopping power, delivering confidence whether you're slowing from high speed or navigating tight roads. The pedal feel is firm and reassuring, allowing precise control without hesitation. Technology enhances the experience without overpowering it. Multiple drive modes allow you to tailor the Roadrunner's personality to your mood. In calmer modes, it's surprisingly civilized, smooth, and easy to live with. Switch to performance modes, and everything sharpens instantly. Throttle response becomes aggressive, exhaust notes deepen, suspension firms up, and the Roadrunner transforms into a full-blown beast. Driver assistance systems are present but never intrusive. They work quietly in the background, ready to help when needed, but respectful enough to stay out of the way when you want full control. Traction control can be adjusted or disabled entirely, giving experienced drivers the freedom to unleash the car's full potential. And then there's the presence. The Roadrunner doesn't just drive down the street, it dominates it. People stop and stare. Phones come out. Conversations pause. This car commands attention in a way few modern vehicles can. It connects instantly with enthusiasts, casual observers, and anyone who understands power when they see it. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner is more than transportation. It's emotion on wheels. It's rebellion wrapped in steel. It's a reminder of a time when cars were loud, bold, and fearless, now reborn with modern engineering that makes it even more thrilling. This is a car for drivers who don't want silence. For drivers who don't want to blend in. For drivers who believe that driving should make you feel something deep in your chest every single time. When you start the engine, the Roadrunner doesn't just come to life, it wakes up your soul. When you hit the gas, it doesn't just accelerate, it attacks the road. And when you shut it down, the echo of its presence lingers, leaving you already craving the next drive. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner is not chasing the future by forgetting its past. It's honoring its legacy by amplifying it, louder, faster, sharper, and more exciting than ever before. This is muscle reborn. This is attitude restored. This is the Roadrunner, back where it belongs, ruling the road with no apologies and no compromises.